My name is Min Hee Cho, and I'll start the lesson about the number of solutions of linear equation system. Okay, let's start reviewing the last lesson. In our last lesson, we learned about solving linear equation system. For example, suppose I have 2x minus y equals 3 and x plus 2y equals 4. How do I get the solution? I have 2 as its x coefficient and I have 1 as its x coefficient. I will set this equation number 1 and this equation number 2. I want to make this coefficient equal. How can I make them equal? Multiply by 2, right? So now I have 2x minus y equals 3 and 2x plus 4y equals 8. Now I will subtract. Then x would be cancelled and negative y minus 4y makes negative 5y, and 3 minus 8 is negative 5, right? So now I want to divide by negative 5. It leads to y equals positive 1, right? And then substitute this answer to any equation. Then you'll get x equals positive 2, right? Now let's start today's lesson. Can you graph these two equations? For the first equation, 2x minus y equals 3, I need slope-intercept form, right? So start with subtracting 2x from the both sides. Then I have negative y equals negative 2x plus 3. And then divide by negative 1. And then I have y equals positive 2x minus 3. That's the slope-intercept form, right? What about second equation? X plus 2y equals 4. Following the same step, I have y equals negative 1 over 2x plus 2. Let's graph of these two equations. For the first one, start from negative 3. 1, 2, 3. And then its slope is 2, so go up and go over 1. That's the graph of the first one. What about the second one? Start from this positive 2. So that's positive 2. And then its slope is negative half, right? So go down 2 and then go 1. Go down 1 and go 2. That's rise over 1, right? So it makes the second equation. And the solution is the intercept point of these two lines. So this point would be the solution, 2, 1. Make sense? Okay, then let's find the number of solutions. There are 3 cases. Different slope, same slope, and then there are 2 cases in the same slope, okay? If 2 equations have different slope, it means one line looks like this and the other line looks like this. They always meet each other if they have different slope, right? So in this case, every different slope equation has one solution. What about same slope? If they have same slope, it means they start from y equals mx, and b could be same or different, right? What is b? B is y-intercept. So that could be different y-intercept and same y-intercept. If they have different y-intercept, it means they are parallel. What is parallel? Do they meet? No. If they are parallel, they never meet, right? So there are no solution. What about this case? They have same slope and they have same intercept. It means they construct the same line, right? They meet every point, right? They meet every point. So, how many solutions? These all points are solutions, right? So there are infinitely many solutions. Let's summarize. If you have linear equation system, for example, there are two linear equations, the number of solutions will be 1, 0, or infinitely many cases. So when you are solving linear equation system, first decide how many solutions are there and start solving the equation. Okay? Thank you very much.